Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce you to my man, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which was announced on the 1st of February, just a few days ago, and I was lucky enough to get it so early. So that's the unboxing. Let's dig in. Now that's ruined. This is the 212 gigabytes of memory version, cream color, I hope. No, that's useless. First, see the add-ons. Nothing surprising. I guess an interface cable. Quick start. And the pin for the SIM card. And the phone itself. Alright. Very pretty. Feels very solid. Oh, we know, a premium finish. Some additional info about the email. We hope it has some battery in it. Yeah, it seems it does. The same intro screen as the previous models. Many languages. Okay, we'll choose English. US version. We agree to everything because we are good Samaritans. So here we are at the beginning of the installation of apps and data. So this will be a research for other video. Now let's see the ports here. All seems very nice. DS Pen is very nice. So that's it. That's what you get out of the box. So I wish you all the best. Stay safe.